stacked circle situation, coming around. That was the right turn. This is the left turn. When you are doing the movement, we're going to work on the right turn. You can either start with your front in overhand or underhand. If you want it to look good for performance, start with your stronger move on the front. If you want to practice into your weakness, start with your weaker move on the front. I'm going to start with overhand on the front. For the right turn, we're going to start with the left arm up on top. Then we're going to turn 180 degrees to the right. And now when you turn, you're going to bring the poi down in front of you to the 6 o'clock position. And you'll be facing away from me, so in theory, you won't be able to see me. Then you're going to turn another 180 degrees back to where you started, swinging the poi back up to the top. So the full 180 will look like this: 5, 6, 7, 8. Top, spin, turn, down, spin, turn, top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Top, spin and turn, bottom, spin and turn, top. 5, 6, 7, and turn down to the bottom, turn to the top, turn to the bottom, turn to the top, and down. And if you're feeling dizzy, just turn a couple times to the left to unwind your cochlea. Your right hand will be an overhand at the bottom, and we're going to go from the bottom. You turn to the top and bring the poi around as you're turning your 180, so you would be facing away from me. And then you'll turn again from the top back down to where you started, and you'll be facing me again. So the full 360 would be 5, 6, 7, 8, bottom to top and turn back to bottom. And 5, 6, 7, 8, bottom, turn, top, turn, bottom. And 5, 6, 7, 8, bottom, turn, top, turn, bottom. And 5, 6, 7, 8, bottom, turn, top, turn, bottom. Because you were there and you might want to be able to see me throughout the entire movement, I'm going to face this way so that when you turn 180 degrees, you can still look at me. And you can turn, you can turn sideways with me as well. Now, when we put this together, we're going to have the left arm up on top, the right arm down on bottom, and you're an overhand. And what's going to happen is both poi are going to come across your body, and you're going to turn to the other side and switch the position of the arms. So if we did without the poi, let's just do the poi lattes for that. Your left arm is here, your right arm is here. We're going to still turn to the right, but you can see me throughout the whole turn now. What we'll do is the two arms are going to come across, and they cross each other here. I'm moving it out to the side. This would be in front of my body here. And then your right arm is stacked here, and your left arm is here. So you went from this, crossing to this. I went from the left arm up, turning to your right, crossing, and your right arm is up here. Now the other half of the turn, we're still turning right. I'm reorienting. Your right arm's up here, left arm is down here. Same thing. You cross here, and then you restack it with your left arm on top. So your right arm is here and left arm is down here. You turn to your right. They both cross across the middle. Then your left is up here and your right is down here. One more time. Your right is up top, left is on the bottom. The both of them cross, and then you're back to where you started. Left on top, right on bottom. So now we're going to go the full 360. Left is on top, right is on bottom. We cross and switch. So the right's on top, left is on bottom. Then cross and switch. Left's on top, right's on bottom. Then cross and switch. Then cross and switch. Then cross and switch. And pedal. Cross, switch, pedal. Cross and switch. Cross and switch. We'll face this way, because then you can see me throughout the whole turn. Left one's up top. Right one's down and bottom. We're in overhand opposite split time. We're going to turn to the right, switch positions with the hands, stack them the other way, come out in underhand, and your right arm will be on top, and your left arm will be on bottom facing the other side. Now you're going to turn back to the other side, and they'll cross again, and they'll switch direction, and you'll be back in overhand facing this side. And we're going to turn and switch and swing, and you'll be underhand facing this side. Turn and switch and swing, and you'll be overhand facing this side with the left on top. So we'll turn, right will come up, left will come down. Turn, right will come down, left will be up. Turn, right will be up, left will be down. Turn, right will be down, left will be up. So we're overhand like this, and 5, 6, 7, turn 360. You should be facing away from me with your right arm up, left arm down in underhand. 5, 6, 7, and turn. You'll be back where you started. Left arm up, right arm down, turn. 5, 6, 7, right up, left down, and 5, 6, 7, turn, and left up, right down. 5, 6, 7, turn, left down, right up. 5, 6, 7, turn, right down, left up. 5, 6, 7, turn, right up, left down. 5, 6, 7, turn, right down, left up. 5, 6, 7, turn, right up, left down. 5, 6, 7, turn, right down, left up. 5, 6, 7, turn, right up, left down. 5, 6, 7, turn, right down, left up. You're back where you started. Let's try the same thing, only now let's do it like this, where we go 7, 8, and turn. 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 7, 8, turn, and you're back where you started. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom and boom. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom and boom. 5, 6, 7, and turn and turn. 5, 6, 7, and turn and turn. 5, 6, 7, 8, and turn and turn. 5, 6, 7, 8, turn and turn, and down. Underhand. So we're starting with what was the back view, which is your right arm up, your left arm down, and we'll go to the right turn. So 5, 6, 7, and turn and turn. 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 5, 6, 7, and turn and down. 2 times around and then resting for 4. So 5, 6, 7, and first time through, now second time through, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and spin and spin and spin and spin, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and spin and spin and spin and spin, and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. One more time. Stack it, stack it, stack it, stack it, and down. Right from here. 5, 6, 7, and stack and stack, stack and stack. 5, 6, 7, and turn. Stack it and stack it, stack it, stack it. 5, 6, 7, and turn. Stack it, stack it, stack it, stack it. And one more time, set it up, right arm up, left arm down. 5, 6, 7, and turn, 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 and turn and down.